Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to convert image to vector and separate all layers for animated in After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, let's drag and drop image here. Okay, I was generate this image with ChatGPT, and let's move to center. So in this time I will show you very easy trick for image convert to vector. Just go to image vector, click this icon and choose 16 colors. One note, if your image have only 3 or 4 colors, you can choose 6 colors or 3. But I have a lot of colors here. For example, green, red, yellow and other colors. Let's choose 16 colors. Okay, press this is down and go to click expand. And here we go, it's done. So first one, let's hold Ctrl Shift, choose this background layer and delete. Also shadow, delete. And this part, delete. Let's zoom to image. And delete this area and this area. So in this time, let's separate layers. First, let's choose left hand layers. Let's hold Ctrl Shift and choose these elements. Let's zoom to more. And this part, also this black, green and light green. Okay, let's see. Nice. So let's Ctrl X and go to create new layer. Add name hand left. And Ctrl F. Okay, and let's move to here. And also let's hold Ctrl Shift, choose these elements. Let's zoom to here. Also this green, this brown, yellow, and Ctrl X. Again, create new layer. Add the name hand right. And Ctrl F. Okay, let's move to right. I will fix this part for better rigging in After Effects. So let's choose body elements, hold Ctrl Shift, choose these shadows and these parts, also this and yellow. Let's Ctrl X. Okay, let's choose also this red. Okay, not bad. Let's also select these two parts. Nice. So Ctrl X and create new layer. Add name body and Ctrl F. Here we go, it's very easy. And hide these layers and let's choose ears. Hold Ctrl Shift, choose these ear parts. Okay, create new layer, Ctrl F, left ear and hide. Also select these right ears. Let's zoom to here for details. Don't forget to hold Ctrl Shift and Ctrl X. Okay, we have some layers here and here. So let's Ctrl X. Nice, we can delete this little part and create new layer. Add name right ear. Ctrl F. So in this time, let's choose these two parts. Ctrl X, create new layer. Ctrl F, add name hair back and hide. And choose these eyebrows. Let's choose Ctrl X, create new layer, Ctrl F, add name eyebrow left. And also we can choose this right eyebrow. Let's Ctrl F, choose eyebrow left, Ctrl F. And let's double click, add name eyebrow and hide layers. So we have a little problems. This is eyebrow area, but we can fix it. Let's hold Ctrl Shift, choose this face layer and click A in keyboard. And choose this point. Let's move to left. Also this move to left for hide this white area. Okay, this is not professional way, but it works for me. Okay, it works. Also, let's do this for right eyebrow. Hold Ctrl Shift, choose this face, click A, and let's choose this point and move it up. Also this and this. Change here, move to down, and here we go, it works. So let's choose this black part and delete, also this delete. I will create new white layers. For example, let's create new layer, add name eye white. And go to shape layers, hold this icon, choose ellipse tool and create one eye and move to here. Also hold Ctrl Shift, move to right for duplicate and hide for now. Let's delete these white parts Again, we can delete these little bit problems. Let's choose and delete. So in this time, let's choose these eyes. Ctrl X, create new layer, Ctrl F, add name eyeball, and hide for now. So again, I want to hide this white part. Let's select this face, click A, choose this point, and move to right. And this move to down. Okay, also for hide these holes, we can create like this color in the back, this face. Let's again choose this point, move to up, and here, and here. So it's easy. And now let's change name, add name head, and enable eye white. Let's change colors to white, and click OK. And select this eyeball. Let's move to up. And here you go. It's very easy way. So in this time, let's select these foods. Ctrl X, create new layer. Ctrl F, add name foods. And move to behind of head. So enable all layers. And let's zoom to here. Let's fix these hand problems. Select these parts. Press A in keyboard. And let's move to up like this. Change here for better hand result. And make smooth. And select this part, click A, and let's move to here, this point, and this, also this. Okay, I think not bad. Let's zoom to fix some problems. And let's change this to left for more smooth. And this. Okay, it works. So, select this hand left and move to here, and also move to behind of body, and let's change rotation. Nice. And let's zoom to hand right and select this layer, press A in keyboard and move to up. Change this part. Okay, not bad. Also, let's this part, let's move to right. Nice, it works. So in animation time, we can't see this part because we hide this part on background of body. Let's put here and move to behind of body. Okay, that's all. And in part 2, I will show how to rig with Duke Angela and animated characters. For part 2, check out description below. And thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.